Good morning, students. Today, our topic of discussion is inventory control. Myself is Kapil Tyagi. Now, let's discuss about inventory. Basically, inventory is a physical resource that a firm holds in stock with the intent of selling it or transforming it into a more valuable state. इट मीन्स कि फर्म अपने स्टॉक में रिसोर्सेज को रखती है बेचने के पर्पज से एंड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म देम इनटू अ मोर वैल्यूएबल स्टेट. इट मीन्स वी कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म देम इनटू फिनिश्ड गुड्स. Items carried in inventory can be raw materials, purchased parts, components, sub-assemblies, work in progress. Work in progress means semi-finished products. And finally, we have finished goods. The reasons for keeping inventories are to stabilize production. We have to stabilize the production system ताकि हमारा production system stop ना हो. To take advantage of price discounts. By maintaining bulk inventories, we can take the advantage of price discounts. To meet the demand during the replenishment period. Replenishment period basically is that period in which the supplier takes time to give us the supplies. In that period, the production should not going to be stopped and we have to fulfill the demand on regular basis. Another reason is to prevent loss of orders. Sales loss means completely a profit loss. To prevent that loss, we have to maintain inventories to keep pace with changing market conditions, as the market is dynamic, and to maintain our pace with the market, we have to manage the inventories. Now, what is inventory control? It aims at keeping track of inventories. We have to track our inventories. In other words, inventories of good quality and right quantities should be made available to different departments as and when they need it. It means control over materials lying in the stores. जो मटीरियल स्टोर में रखा गया है, वी हैव टू मेक अ कंप्लीट और क्लोज वॉच ऑन दैट मटीरियल so that our capital is going to be saved. Now, the cost associated with inventory. Purchase or production cost is associated with the inventory. When we give orders to our vendors, we have to pay certain purchase cost as well as there is certain production cost. Then we have capital cost. Capital cost means when a company or an organization going to borrow capital from bank, they have to pay interest on that. Another cost is ordering cost. Cost of replenishing inventory. Ordering cost is when we are going to replenish inventory or procure inventory. Next cost we have inventory carrying cost or holding cost. Holding cost is basically the cost involved in holding the item in our godowns. Shortage cost, it is a temporary or permanent loss of sales when demand cannot be met. If we can't fulfill the demand, then it's a shortage cost and it spoils the goodwill and reputation of the organization in the market. Now, aims of inventory control: never run out of stock of any material. Never build up very large inventory. It means to save our capital, we can never build up large stock in the organization. Buying inventory means the dump of capital. We can dump our capital in the company. To save that, we have to buy small quantities whenever the requirement comes. Never send out too many small orders for more, as such small orders turned out to be very costly. We have to also keep a close watch on that we can't place small orders many a times in the organization, because small orders gives more cost to the organization. Now the advantages of inventory control. Advantages is that to ensure continuous production by supplying material, we have to ensure the continuous production of the finished product, and for that we have to supply material. It ensures timely and continuous supply of goods to customers by maintaining sufficient stock of finished goods. We have to maintain the sufficient stock of finished goods so that there is no shortage in the market. It helps in optimum utilization of man, money, material, equipments, time, and thereby reduce the total cost of the production. It means the optimum utilization of man, money, material, equipments, time are necessary. In this way, we can reduce the total cost of the production. That's all for this lecture from my side. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you so much.